Hi, welcome back to another video on learning SQL with PostgreSQL. In this lesson, we are going to explore distinct keyword using our DVD rental database. And this time we will use film table from our DVD rental database. Let's start with something simple. Suppose we want to see what type of movie ratings exist in our database. If we query it like this, select rating from film. We can see a list of ratings, but many of them repeat, as you can see here, because lots of films share the same rating. To see only the unique ratings, we can use distinct. So let's modify our statement like select distinct rating. This should give us a list of unique ratings in our film table. See, we only have 5 unique ratings instead of the hundreds of ratings that was showing before. Let's try another one. If we want to check the different rental durations available in our store, we can query. We will obviously select the distinct duration. So let's change it. Select distinct rental duration. From film. This shows us all the unique values for rental duration, like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, and so on. Let's go back to our customer table and see the unique first name from the table. So let's use distinct first name from customer. First underscore name. Here it shows all unique first names. We can see that there's 591 unique first names. However, just looking at the first name isn't always very useful. For example, there might be many customers named John. If we want to see unique full names, we can add both the first name and last name. So let's change it by adding the last name column as well. This should show us all the unique combination of first name and last name. So we can see that there's 599 unique customer names based on the first name and last name. So remember, distinct considers the combination of all selected columns, not each individually. To wrap it up, today we used the film table to see how distinct help us for find unique movie ratings, list different rental durations, and even get unique combination across multiple columns like this, the first name and last name. In the next video, we will learn how to sort results with order by, which is often used right after the distinct to organize the output. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.